Welcome to this Google Sheets tutorial where we will learn how to share Google Sheets with others. Sharing a Google Sheet allows multiple users to collaborate and edit the same document in real time. To start sharing a Google Sheet, first open your Google Sheet by going to the Google Drive website and clicking on the sheet you want to share. Once your sheet is open, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. A pop-up window will appear where you can add the email addresses of the people you want to share the sheet with. You can also add a message to include with the share invitation. Next, you need to choose the permission level for the users you are sharing the sheet with. You can choose from 3 options: editor, viewer, or commenter. Editors can make changes to the sheet. Viewers can only view the sheet. And commenters can add comments to the sheet but not make changes. Once you have added the email addresses and chosen the permission level, click on the Share button to send the invitations. The users you have shared the sheet with will receive an email with a link to the sheet and can start collaborating with you immediately. It is also possible to share a Google Sheet with anyone, even if they do not have a Google account. To do this, click on the Get Shareable Link button at the top of the Share window. This will generate a link that you can copy and paste into an email or message to share with others. When sharing a Google Sheet, it is a good idea to set an expiration date for the share link, especially if you are sharing sensitive information. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon next to the Get Shareable Link button and choosing an expiration date from the drop-down menu. Finally, to stop sharing a Google Sheet, go back to the Share window and click on the Advanced button at the bottom of the window. From here you can see a list of all the users you have shared the sheet with and remove their access by clicking on the Remove link next to their name. By following these steps, you can easily share Google Sheets with others and start collaborating in real time. Remember to always choose the correct permission level and consider setting an expiration date for the share link to keep your information secure.